Today I want to talk about the top 5 must-haves when it comes to your fitness business website. This is taken directly from our fitness business website Success Secrets Guide, and I've added a couple more of my own favorites. Number 1 is a compelling headline that makes it really clear what you do as a fitness business. Lots and lots of the fitness businesses that we look at their websites, we see that they don't have a clear headline. What the headline has to include is who you help, how you help them, what you help them achieve, and the most important one that loads of people miss out is your location. If you are a bricks and mortar fitness business, it's really important that when someone lands on your website, they are really clear on what it is you do and where you're based. So an example might be personal trainer or gym in Manchester, helping busy professional females aged 40 to 50 lose weight, tone up, feel better about themselves. That is an example of a clear and concise headline, and every single fitness business should have one of those on their website at the top, first thing that they see. The second thing is a call to action. Now, a call to action is when you tell someone exactly what to do to get started working with you. Something that we see is too many fitness businesses trying to sell their products, sell their services directly from their website, and the call to action might be buy now. Here's the thing about selling fitness. It's a very emotive thing. You're probably gonna have to get on a phone with someone and either sell to them on the phone or invite them in for a consultation. So that is exactly what we want to do when it comes to the call to action. So we would usually say something like, click here, find out more, learn more about how we can help you, and then we ask for some details, which takes us on to number 3. You need a contact form that asks for the 3 following things: their name, their phone number, and their email address. That allows you to follow up with them at a future date. And if they're filling in that form on your website, it means that they're a hot lead and you should be following up with them as soon as possible. Number 4, you need to talk about benefits. You need to talk about the benefits of the program, why your program is different, and what they get from working with you. Not about you, what they get. So you have to focus on who you're trying to attract into your business. Again, we look at loads of websites from fitness professionals and fitness businesses, and they are talking about themselves. And the thing is, when you talk about yourself, people switch off. So you have to flip it. You have to talk about your ideal client. What results can we expect working with you as a fitness business? Is it to lose weight? Is it to tone up? Is it to feel happier, healthier, build more muscle, be more confident, be fitter around grandkids or kids? Depending on who you're trying to attract, this message will change. And that takes us on to the next one. Number 5, if you are trying to attract a certain person into your fitness business, then you should be showing testimonials and social proof from that type of person. And the reason why we do this is because we want people to feel, feelings are very important when it comes to websites. We want people to feel that when they land on our website, they can see people who are just like them. And we want testimonials so that they know that they're going to get the results that other people who have gone before them have got. And I'm going to add in a bonus one because this is really important. We need the right images. We need images of the type of people that you want to attract, having fun, smiling, working out, looking like they're having a great time. Here's what we don't want to see, people. We don't want to see pictures of empty gyms. We don't want to see pictures of big weights or dumbbells or rows of treadmills, because that stuff, my friend, is boring and is not going to get people to pick up the phone or fill in the forms in your website. If you want to find out a little bit more about what we do, you can head across to internetfitpro.com and you can get your free copy of the fitness business website secrets, or reach out to us and we can have a conversation about how we can build a lead generating website for your fitness business that will grow your business faster.